Okay, so now we've got the car inside, I can take you on a proper tour around of it. So, as you may be able to tell, it's a really, really rare Mark 1 MG Metro. You can see just there, it's got the proper straight edge Mark 1 bonnet, the Mark 1 dash. I'll just take a look indoors. Just let me open the door for us there. Mark 1 dash. It's also in left-hand drive format, so even rarer. I can only assume this must be an import car from somewhere. Really, really exciting. Must be real rare bird, this. Now, first thing, obviously the paintwork's quite rough. It's spent a lot of time being used hard, I would have said. All the glass is damaged, cracked. Going to want a new windscreen, headlamps are missing, whether they've been stolen or broken or what, I don't know. Somebody's even stolen the 3-spoke leather MG steering wheel, so I'm going to have to source one of them from somewhere. Looking at the outside, it looks there's obviously some kind of suspension issue here. Offside rear, whether a hydrogas can's burst, I don't know. That's going to want looking at. Whether it's burst, whether the pipe across the back axle has gone rotten, I don't know, because the other side, that's also quite saggy. As we've just seen, the door hinge pins, they're knackered. I hope it's door hinge pins and not that the A-pillar is rotten, but we'll only find that when we start stripping it down. Unfortunately, it doesn't run. Now, I don't know why. I've not really looked into it yet, but there's no sign of it running. So obviously that's going to want looking into. But what I am excited about, if we just have a look underneath the car, because I mean it is that easy. No rot, absolutely no rot at all. This is probably one of the most solid Metros I've ever seen. I mean, to be honest, it only just begs the question, can it be a real Metro? Can it be a real Metro? Can it be a real Metro?